In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in ClickUp. Getting your dates to display the way you expect is a small change that makes a big difference, especially when you're juggling deadlines with teammates across different regions. Whether you prefer month, day, month, year, or a more international style, you can set it up in just a minute. Start by opening your ClickUp account. Use the web app or desktop app, whichever you normally work in, and make sure you're on the workspace you want to use. Once you're in, look for your profile. You'll usually find your profile avatar or initials in the lower left or upper right corner of the interface. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main area where you control how ClickUp behaves for you. Inside Settings, click Preferences. Preferences is where ClickUp groups your personal viewing and formatting options so you can tailor the experience to match how you like to read information. Now find the date format section and pick the format you prefer. You'll typically see familiar options like DD, YYYY, and sometimes a year first option like DD. Choose the one that feels most natural to you. If you frequently sort lists or export data, the year first format can be useful because it sorts chronologically in a very clear way. If you collaborate with people who read dates differently, consider the format that will create the least confusion for you when scanning due dates and calendars. As soon as you make your selection, ClickUp usually applies and saves the change automatically, so you don't have to hunt for a separate save button. You should notice the update reflected across your views, on tasks, in calendars, and anywhere a date appears. This is a personal preference, so you're simply changing how dates display in your account view, helping you read timelines more quickly and avoid misinterpretation. If the interface looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. ClickUp updates its layout from time to time, and preferences might appear as a tab or section within settings. The path is the same idea. Profile, then settings, then preferences, then date format. On mobile, menus may be tucked into a profile or settings icon, but the option will still be under preferences. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, click on your profile, go to settings, open preferences, and in date format, select the style that works best for you. Enjoy clearer timelines and fewer date mix-ups moving forward.